outside Sevierville, Tennessee, very near TVA-controlled Douglas Lake. You'll find an estate tucked away in the woods at 1035 Dishers Mtn Rd. It's as if you're in a park. You'll enjoy over 2,400 square feet of secluded living area on 2 levels, and it's on an over 4.5-acre parcel. From both your front porch and your back sunroom, you'll take in an exceptional view of your surroundings. The most open floor plan begins with an expansive dining room and the main living area. It's all on hardwood flooring. Here you'll be toasty warm on East Tennessee nights in front of the stone fireplace. The spacious galley-style kitchen provides plenty of cabinetry storage, as well as color-coordinated appliances, including an induction range. And take many an evening in the year-round sunroom. It's covered in walls of glass for a rich wooded view, as well as the back deck for an impromptu barbecue. Each bedroom can be customized for every family member, each one expansive and private to provide the utmost in comfort. And of course, your baths provide functionality and amenities throughout. This is a property that will grow with you. There's plenty of acreage that's perfect for play or farming. A cozy gazebo awaits relaxing times as the nearby barn is ready for storage. It's all close to Douglas Lake, TVA controlled, and a great water playground. With a ton of amenities within this home, 1035 Dishers Mtn Rd is one that certainly rates your own private tour. Call Gail Owen of Smoky Mtns Real Estate direct at 865-696-4121.